Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the basics and then jump into Windows 11 settings. First, check your router and modem lights and confirm the Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter shows up. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and identify the adapter name. You'll need that. Once done, check Windows Update and reboot if updates are pending, because network fixes often require the latest drivers and services to be running before you change anything else. Now you target the adapters and drivers, which often cause connection issues. Open Device Manager, expand network adapters, and inspect the driver version. Outdated or corrupt drivers break connectivity. Right-click the adapter, choose Update Driver, and let Windows search automatically. Then restart your PC to apply changes. If it's a wireless adapter, run the built-in Network Troubleshooter and turn off any power-saving settings for the adapter so the hardware doesn't sleep and drop packets unexpectedly. Finish by resetting the network stack to clear persistent configuration errors. Open Settings, Advanced Network, and run Network Reset that reinstalls adapters and restores defaults. You should also open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/release then ipconfig/renew, followed by netch winsock reset to clear socket issues, restart afterwards. If the problem persists, reboot your router and switch DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.